Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now, reports stated that Wahab Adams has submitted a transfer request. I think that Wahab Adams is the oldest player in our squad. He submitted a transfer request that he wants to leave the club because of lack of playing time. Personally, I will let him go. I know we need experience, but if we don't have players who are willing to wait for the opportunity, he has played about 2 or 3 games this season, and he knows that we have other good and younger players in the squad that will be needing his experience and guidance and counseling. If he wants to leave, no problem. Me, I don't have any problem with it. Thank him for serving good, thank him for his time, thank him for everything he has done for the club. He's on his way. Personally, you know that you don't have a lot of years in your career right now. We are paying you. We use you when we want to rotate the team. The players need you for experience. They need you for guidance. They need you to teach the young players. And you have decided to leave, no problem. If reports are true that he wants to leave, me, I don't have any problem. Let him go. Then I also heard Habib Mohammed also put in a transfer request. Now, Club Consult, they have come out to debunk that news. They said it's a lie, that Habib Mohammed is not going anywhere, that he didn't hand in any transfer request. Now, if reports are true, that's if it's true and Club Result or Club Consult are lying, if Habib truly submitted a transfer request, what does it mean? Does it mean because of this little thing he had with the coach he wants to go? I don't know, but if reports are true that he did that, then it's bad. It's very bad, and something is wrong somewhere. But I hope it's not. That is why I was pleased that the Club Consult have come out to debunk the news, because Habib is one of my favorite players at Asante Kotoko. When he got the Black Stars Club before the coronavirus hit the whole world, I was very happy. I was very pleased for him. In fact, I felt like a proud brother. That's my eldest brother has gotten a call up to the Black Stars squad, because the way Habib Mohammed plays is just nice. Like, it's good. I just love it. So to hear, because I heard it first last night, that Habib Mohammed and Wahab Adams. Now, no one has debunked Wahab Adams' transfer request. No one has debunked that. But the Habib Mohammed on Club Consult, they came out and said that that news is a lie. So I'm pleased that Club Consult have come out and say that that news is a lie, because if it's true, then it's a huge problem, because Habib Mohammed is one of the best players we have at the club. So it would be unwise to let him go for free, because reports are stating that he wants the club to cancel or terminate his contract so that he will go for free, no fee at all. There is no way on earth Kotoko will do that. So it's good that Club Consult have come out. That's his management. Habib Mohammed's management came out and said that that news is a lie. But no one has come out to debunk Wahab Adams' news. So I feel Wahab Adams' own might be true. And if he's going, bye-bye. Thanks for all your services to the club. Thanks for all you have done for us. I think it's time for us to part ways. No problem. If you want to leave, you go. Yes, you should go, because we've given him time, 2-3 games to play. If you're not patient enough and you don't want to stay and be part of what we are trying to build, no problem, go. So I'd like to know your thoughts. What do you think about the Habib Mohammed situation and the Wahab Adams situation? So please tell me in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys, goodbye.